fBlock feels impossible until you see this video. Hello students, let us start. Properties of fBlock. fBlock elements mainly divide into two types, lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides atomic number 58 to 71, actinides atomic number 90 to 103. Both belongs to group 3. Lanthanides belongs to period 6, actinides belongs to period 7. Electronic configuration of both the elements here specified. Common oxidation state plus 3 in both the cases. These elements along with plus 3 also shows plus 4. Highest oxidation state of lanthanides plus 4, which is stable form. NPPu, neptunium plutonium, shows highest unstable oxidation state, which is plus 7, which is unstable. Stable oxidation state is plus 6 here, uranium. These elements also shows plus 2. Here lanthanide contraction observed, that is mainly due to poor shielding effect of 4F. Actinide contraction observed due to poor shielding effect of 5F. So due to lanthanide contraction, actinide contraction, radius decreases. We will see consequences later. All are non-radioactive except promethium. All are radioactive. Only promethium is man-made. Here all are man-made except thorium, proactinium, uranium. Important electronic configurations. These electronic configurations you need to remember. Cerium, Eu, Gd, Yb, Lu. Similarly here Th, Pa, curium, No, lawrencium. So these configurations you have to remember in this case. Okay. Next. Write one note. Here observe it note. Man-made 11 elements after uranium. Man-made 11 elements after uranium, that is neptunium to lawrencium, are known as transuranium elements after uranium. After uranium, uranium atomic number 90, 92. After uranium, these 11 elements placed. That's why these are referred as transuranium elements. Cerium plus 4, Tb plus 4, referred as, so here Tb is terbium. Cerium plus 4, terbium plus 4 are good oxidizing agents. Europium plus 2 is strong reducing agent because it forms stable Eu plus 3 upon oxidation. Cerium plus 4 form acting as strong oxidizing agent, forms stable Ce plus 3 upon reduction. Complex formation tendency of actinides is due to higher charge, smaller radius. Complex formation tendency of actinides greater than lanthanides. Reactivity of actinides greater than lanthanides. Basic nature of oxides and hydroxides of actinides is also greater than lanthanides. Ionization energy of actinides less than lanthanides. Due to lanthanide contraction, radius decreases. If radius decreases, that is volume decreasing, density increases. Ionization energy increases up to some extent. Basic and ionic nature decreases. Ionic radii of certain elements in lanthanide is given. It is important sequence you have to remember. Let us see JEE Mains 2025 January question. Observe the question, everyone. The question how we need to use here for the solving. Lanthanide ions with 4f7 configuration are. So they are asking here 4f7 configuration lanthanide ions. Okay. So observe it. Eu plus 2 given. Eu plus 2 configuration. So here Eu plus 2, I am writing here. Eu plus 2 configuration, that is xenon, everywhere it is starting with xenon, 4f7, 6s0. Gadolinium plus 3, Gd plus 3, it is xenon, which is 4f7, 5d0, 6s0. Gadolinium. Next, europium plus 3. Europium plus 3 also given here. So xenon 4f6. 4f6 and 6s0. Europium plus 3. Terbium plus 3. Terbium plus 3, it is xenon. You can write 4f8, 4f8 and 6s0. One more. What they mentioned? Samarium plus 2. Samarium plus 2, that is xenon 4f6, 6s0. So overall if you see here, how many with 4f7 configuration? Observe it. Europium, then gadolinium. Only these two, europium plus 2, gadolinium plus 3. So which option is correct? A, B. So here option 3 is correct. Okay. Next, JEE Main 2025 January, which of the following ions is the strongest oxidizing agent? Just now we studied above strongest oxidizing agent. Terbium is strongest oxidizing agent because here it is after undergoes reduction, first of all oxidizing agent, it forms plus 3, so which is common oxidation state, which is common oxidation state of lanthanides. That's why it is possible. So terbium is strongest oxidizing agent which undergoes reduction. Okay, I hope all the questions clear to everyone. For more updates, follow the channel. Thank you everyone.